I want them off you. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is actually going to be a little interlude from all the Monaco vlogs. I will be uploading those shortly, but I wanted to have a quick little section where you had a little bit of time to think and time to relax from the Monaco vids and upload the new Liberty Walk GTR. I have Indy from TPC with me, my good old Indy pal, and we're going to quickly chat about the new Liberty Walk GTR V2 kit, literally just released today as I'm filming this, from a live video on Liberty Walk EU. So, V2 build, which is a version 2 kit. So there's version 1 which looks like this, or the version 2 that looks like this. This is the version 2 kit, more aggressive.
Much more aggressive than the last
wider,
kit.
just, it looks so mean.
Big ol' wing.
Big ol' wang. Yeah, it's cool. So, work carried out on the car as it stands now goes as such. So,
car started off with the original factory black.
Yeah.
Car was taken to ColouKraft. They installed the Type 2 kit wing with a replacement bonnet, new front bumper to facelift it to a 17 car, and made a decision to, well, James made the decision to paint the car Nardo Grey.
As a naughty colour.
We'd already selected the wheels though before this.
Oh really?
So the wheels, the wheels were selected before we decided to change the colour. So the wheels are copper centres with black dishes.
But I think it works.
Yeah,
it really works.
So cool. It just looks different.
Yeah.
So that was all decided before we changed the colour of the car.
Yeah.
So ColouKraft has done all the work in terms of installation, fitting the AirX.
Got all the AirX app stuff, so you can control all the height from the car
and all that kind of thing.
Cool. And it also went to Lichfield as well to get a stay. I think it's a 4.5.
Well, the car was bought from Lichfield.
Okay, so the Lichfield sold the GTR.
Yeah.
It's a 4.5.
Stage 4.5, so around 650, 700 horsepower.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
That is mad.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
There's a lot of power. It spits fire and all sorts.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Bang, 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 bang. What else is on the car? Ford Motorsport intercooler and stuff. That's all Lichfield.
That's all Lichfield owned. Dominator kit, they call it.
Yeah. Awesome. Paprikos filters.
This is the second one in the UK.
Yes, second one.
Wheels one was the first one, the blue one, which is really cool.
Yeah.
So this is the second kit in the UK, second kit in Europe, and this is our demo car for TPC, where you'll be seeing it at a few shows, events around.
Yeah. So you did the Mustang, didn't you, first?
Mustang first,
and then that got sold within like a week or something.
Yeah, really cool.
So hopefully we won't sell this one as quickly, because I think it would be cool to actually get it on the channel and do a potential review of it. Maybe with Indipal, because we love Indy. So over this I'll overlay some shots and I'll do the full video at the end. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you're part of the Talk Nation. Make sure you're grabbing your t-shirts from www.talkchasers.com.
Do that.
Follow Liberty Walk EU, the performance company, AirX EU, Lichfield Motors, ColouKraft. Oh my god, those boys absolutely kill it. I'm going to be doing a few more videos with them with the Talk 36, so stay tuned for that. And yeah,
cool.
Cheers, Indy. Love you.
So good.